Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to connect your PS5 to your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and display your PS5 onto your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and plug in your PS5, and then all TVs usually have, or they do have, an HDMI input. So in order to connect your PS5 to your Samsung Smart TV, all you've got to do is plug in the HDMI from your PS5 to the back of your Samsung Smart TV, and now your PS5 should display on screen just like that. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your PS5 to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.